Hello everyone. So in this video we will see that how we can use the named query API as an action in our MCP server. Okay. So for that you need to go to user interface first and you need to enable the setting. If you did not enable it for the earlier actions. Okay, so in this user interface, this setting enable Salesforce platform REST API named query for agent actions beta. This should be enabled. Okay. Otherwise, you will not get option while adding the actions in the MCP server. Okay, let me show you. So, for example, this is our MCP server, and let me deactivate it first. And when you will click on add tools, if that setting is not enabled, you will not get this named query API beta option here. So we already enabled it, so that's why it is coming here. So now search for named query. Okay, here click on new named query API. We get fetch account API version 66. Okay, fetch account record based on account name. If you see here, it already created the API endpoint, and here we will write our query from select ID, comma, name, account, where name like. Mm, select ID, comma, name from account, where name equals ACC name, account name. Okay, just save it. And okay, now we need to go to the API catalog. So it will reflect here, fetch account. Here we need to enable it. So get method is there. We need to activate actions. Click update. Okay. Now we need to add this as an action in our MCP server and activate the MCP server. So we have two tools. One is Apex REST API class. One is named query API. Okay, let's go to the VS Code. So we have already configured our MCP server in our earlier sessions. So if you want, you can see that. Okay, so as of now, it will show only one tool. Let me refresh it. So now two tools are there, fetch account, and if you see here, the parameters are account name. Okay, click done, and let's see. So previously we have created account using this Acme Corporation. So let me try to use that one only, or we can use this one also. Can you fetch details of account? So if you see here, you see here it is saying I should fetch the account detail by the account parameter. Let's see. So here it is calling fetch account. Okay, and you can see here this response is okay. So it means our named query API is working correctly. Okay.